channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 14 consists of the following exercises. Number 1, skaters. Number 2, walking lateral squats. 3, push-ups. 4, flutter kicks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So exercise number 1 is going to be skaters. So again, if you guys forgot how to do skaters, you're going to have your feet together. You can start on your left side or your right side, completely up to you. And you're just going to jump to the one side, and then your back foot hits the floor. And then you're going to jump to the other side, back foot hits the floor. And you go back and forth like you guys are roller skating or ice skating. So those are skaters. We're gonna get into a nice squat position. We're gonna go feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna squat down and we're gonna step 3 steps to your right. And again, you can start on your right or left. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go 3 to the right. And then we're gonna go 3 to the left. Again, walking lateral squat. We got push-ups. Now, there's gonna be 3 variations of push-ups. If you are not yet comfortable doing a push-up, that is okay. You guys can do a push-up plank. So you're gonna place your hands facing forward. Never turn your wrist out. You can really damage your wrist, okay? So we're gonna go into a plank position, push-up plank position, just like this. Your feet are straight out, together, back is straight as well. If you are a little more comfortable with push-ups, you can do a modified push-up. Again, hands are facing forward. We are going to go on our knees, and we're gonna go down, and up, down, and up. Make sure you guys are always facing forward. And again, if you are comfortable doing push-ups, you can do the full push-up in itself. Again, hands facing forward. Got my knees off the ground. My legs are straight, keeping my back straight, and I'm gonna go down and up, down and up, okay? And last, we got flutter kicks. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on my back. Have my legs facing forward, straight out. If you want to bring up your head, you can do that as well to make it a little more challenging and go up and down. Okay, those are called flutter kicks. All right, so get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 14, so stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, and go. Side to side, step, side to side. Bring that back foot, touch the floor, okay? Challenge yourself to leap as far as you can, side to side. Great job. Don't quit, my friends, keep working hard. Do your best. All right, let's go. Those walking lateral squats. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Again, go right and left. You want to try yourself, go a little bit lower. I know I'm feeling it. Great job, my friends. Couple more seconds left. Let's go. Finish up. All right, let's go. Some push-ups. I'm gonna go and do regular push-ups. You guys can do modified. Completely up to you. Ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Push-ups. Remember to keep your back straight. Hands are facing forward. 30 seconds. You guys can do it. Come on. Push yourself. If you need to take a quick break, that's okay. Take a quick break. Let's jump right back in. All right, we got flutter kicks. Finish it off. Round 1's almost done. Flutter kicks, ready? Go. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Breathe through your nose. Out through your mouth. All right, time, 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Woo! All right, you completed 1 round already. Again, we're gonna start back at the top with our skaters, walking lateral squats, push-ups, and flipping kicks. Wait till you get some water. Also remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what was your most challenging exercise, or what exercise you felt you're the most comfortable with in this round. And again, I'm going to challenge you guys, round 2, push yourself harder, okay? All of these workouts are only 5 minutes, so you guys push as hard as you can for 5 minutes, okay? We have 10 seconds left. Deep breaths in. Here we go. I'm going to start my right side this time. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, skaters side to side. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, see how far you can leap. To your right and to your left. Let's go, skaters. Work hard, come on. Remember our motto, just finish. 1 more. All right, let's go. Walk the lateral squats. Squat, go down. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Go back. Lower. Lower. Woo! I've done it. Keep going. All right, let's go. Push-ups. We're going to do modified push-ups so you guys can see this time. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to modify for 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then I'm going to go into those planks. Again, whatever you guys are comfortable with, do your best. Okay? Into that plank, 15 seconds. Notice that my back is straight. Okay, I'm not doing a mountain. I'm not doing a teal. So my back is straight. Right? Last one. Finish it off. Let's go. Flutter kicks. Go, go, go. Turn up your core. Turn up your abs. So your toes are pointing up. Push. And time. Nice job. You guys did awesome. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 14. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout, what exercise you would like to see. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag the P spot, because I would like to see you performing these exercises. So again, don't forget to use our hashtag the P spot. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.